This is a continuation of the last video. Here is the straight that we started with. The low straight and the high straight equaling to, boom, that's right, 75, electric company, 5 and 7. Why 5 and 7? Because this dice has only one 7 on it, and it is the 1, and it is the 6. The 8 that we talk about now, boom, seems to be going all over the place. Let's not do that. We know that you see these open spaces on the dice? It's either this way or it's this way. We're going to cover 8. We're going to cover 6, east-west 6, north-south 6, split the two sides above and below. This one's in the water, the 3 on the bottom. This one's in the sky, the 3 above, 3, 6, 9. This is 3 to the left, this is 3 to the right, the 3 in the center, 3, 6, 9. Okay, so 9 and 3 is 12, 12, 9 and 3 is 12, 9 and 3 and 9, 12, 21. 9 and 9 and 9. Do you understand this way? Now I'm going to show you what happens with the dice when we put it this way in a second. Now, did you get confused? Don't worry, it's not that hard. Now we're going to go ace 1, king 11, 1 and 11, 1, 1, 1 with ace and king. Why? Because the K is the 11th card. We're not going to count the name because J or Jack equals to 25, Queen equals to 62, King equals to 11, or 11 and 9. K and I is 9, 11. Queen is QU, 38 into the church. JA is 1, 1, 0. The Twin Towers that fell down, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. J10, that's right, JFK, right here. 1, 11 is 12, plus 17 is 29, birth, 39, 49, the 7th gate, 7 by 7, 9 by 4 is 36. That is the creation of the circumference. 36 plus 6 equals to 42, and the passage of 5 and 9, because the relationship of 5 and 9 equals to 42, and the odds of the dice also equals to 42 because 5 and 9 have the same payout in the game of craps. Okay, so now we have this one over here, 10, and Jack is the 10th letter. This is 10, 10. This is the 17th letter, 10, 20, 30, 37, 48, 49. Add 6 here is 55. Add 6 here is 61, bringer of the light. This is the top straight. 61, 51. 61, 71, spirit is 76, the high and low straight. What is in between is 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 brings in the 6th birth onto level. 9, like I said, is from the sky. 3 is from the oceans in the belly, creation. And 6 walks on water because we swim in water all our life for the first 9 months. Then we come out on that angle. So now 6, 7, 8 is 21, and 9 is 30. We have creation equals to 36. 36. We have this one over here equaling to 60 is 96. Plus 15 is 111. Let's do this again. This is 111, and the center of numbers. Oh, I don't even want to pick up the camera and show you the floor because last time it went down on me. We're going to do it again. This here equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 54, 57, 58, 59, 60. Boom. Because of the position. The 11th position, the 11th letter. The 17th letter, the 12th position, 29 birth. The 11th position, the 10th letter, 21 blackjack, all in its own. So we've calculated that, 16 times 11, which is 4, 8, 12, 16, times the value of ace 11, or 110, or 111, which is the center, equals to what? That's right. 16 times 111 equals to 1776. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 by 9 is 36. 36 and 20 equals 56. 5 is inside 9, so 4 by 9 is 36. Take away 20, bringer of the light inside the birth. Just simple, realistic reality, the truth. We're going to add it on to this one over here. If we had the sun that shines and burns, one must go through nothing because we're not counting the sun. We count the sun as the center. The center of what? What number are you going to give it? So let's take Mercury that runs through it, or Luna that's composed inside the moon because there's one moon. One Mercury runs through, which is the moon, inside the sun, inside us, our birth. We don't count the sun, and therefore Mercury has no moons. It runs between Venus, boom, and then 5, and then 7, the gateway, because 9 is not on the outside. 9 is on the inside. Because you have in between, and in between the two guardrails, and then you move forward in between the two guardrails, and then you move forward in between the two guardrails. 369. New World Order. Levi's. New 649. No, the 49ers in San Francisco. They just put up a new stadium. They call it the Levi's Stadium. I'm going to tell you right now, somebody comes to my door and I ain't answering it because I can't. Or I could shut down and restart, but then I'm not in the same reflect in my mind. 4 is the circumference. 3 is the diameter. 6 and 8 are the halfway levels of 101 because the numbers will change. The numbers will change. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 this way, it'll be 1, 2, 3 this way. 101, 101. 6 is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the corners. 4 times the 4 corners of 90 is the diameter. We bring the diameter here. 6 is 101. 4, 5, 6. It's 101. It's halfway between everything. Halfway between here, halfway between here. Between here and here is 3. 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 Between here and here is 1. 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 101, 101. 101 from 1 and 3. 101 from 7 and 9. 9 and 7 is 16. 1 and 6 is 7. 3 and 1 is 4. 7 and 4 is everything. 7 and 4 is everything. 5, 14, 23, 55, 65, 69, and 5, 74. And 60 equals 134, AC, DC, because every time you see a 0, it becomes a 6 in its place. Why? Because we run through nothing. We run through the center. 0. 0, Z-E-R-O, and if you continue it, it says 1. Z-E, the next angle, the minute the Z goes on an angle, it can be called N or Z. And Z-E, 0, O, and then starts with ZE, turn that ZE to NE, and put the O in front of it, and you have 1. That's where you get your 808, 6. So either it's this way or it's this way, but it's a maximum of 6 plus 1 and a maximum of 6 plus 1. That's the way it works. 4 circumference, 3 diameter. If you get 4 circumference, it becomes 4, 9. 4 by 9 is 36. If you get 3 diameter, 3 times 120. 120, 1 and 2 is 3. 120 becomes 126. It becomes 1, 2, and 6 is 9. 9 and 3 is the oceans in the sky. 6 is the halfway express. We walk on water. 8 is the level between two sides of the bridge. 8 minus 1, 8 plus 1. 9 and 7, 16. 1 and 6 is 7. 6, 7 and 5 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 7, the number 2 Nibiru, are creation of the 7th gate. Now, I don't want to lose this video, so Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I'm going to be coming up and doing another video immediately after this one. Thank you for watching.